Hi, I'm Seng. So today I will show you how to export your Genius POS customer list and import into your Google Contact. Then create a broadcast list, blast your customer with your latest info. Thank you. So make sure that your iPad is connected to the internet. Then go to Genius POS, go to the customer, and then click Export in Excel. So you click on your email address, then you click Send. Make sure that your email has received your customer list. Go to your email, click here, and you select Contacts. So you open a contact here, or you also can search Google Contact as well. Select one for your contact, click Select All, and then you click here to export it as Google CSV file, and you click Export. So we'll download it. Then go to your email that you export the customer list from Genius POS just now, click Download. Then from here, open it both. So now you've got two files. One is from export from the Google, and another is export from Genius POS. So go to the column of the phone number, right click it, you click Format Cell. Make sure you select as text. You click OK. So for the phone number that, as you can see, without the zero, add a zero here, for example. And then you copy for the first name, copy, and then you go back to the Google Contact CSV file and you paste it. Same goes to the last name as well, copy, and you paste it on the family name column. Copy the phone number, then you scroll until the right side, paste on the phone 1 value. So you paste it, okay, and then you copy the email as well, and you paste it here, and then you make sure you save. Then go back to the Google Contact, you click Import, select the file that you edit just now, you open it, you click Import. So we'll start importing. As you can see, the contact just now has been imported. Then go to the phone and you click Play Store. Make sure you download WhatsApp Business and you download it. Then next, search for Google Contact. Then you can see that all of your contact has been synchronized already. Go to the WhatsApp Business, click here, and then you click New Broadcast. From here you can select all the customers just now, and then all of the things they can send, they will look like you are private message them, but actually you are doing one-to-many communication. That's all for today. Thank you. 我是阿成，找 POS System，找阿成。